Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find the information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the one for Zengo Wallet, are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Zengo Wallet. Is Zengo Wallet safe? Let's dive into my usage experience. Zengo Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-asset cryptocurrency wallet engineered for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Its core focus is on providing robust security without compromising on a user-friendly experience. It aims to seamlessly manage your digital assets, making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. One of Zengo Wallet's most compelling features is its innovative security model. Instead of relying on traditional private keys, which can be vulnerable to theft or loss, Zengo leverages multi-party computation (MPC) technology. This sophisticated approach distributes cryptographic computations across multiple parties, ensuring your private keys are never stored in a single location, not even on your device. This eliminates single points of failure and significantly minimizes the risk of hacking. Zengo enhances security further by incorporating biometric authentication, like Face ID and fingerprint recognition, for convenient and secure wallet access. Should you lose access to your device, Zengo offers a user-friendly recovery process utilizing facial biometrics and a backup phrase. This method is designed to be considerably more intuitive than traditional seed phrases, which can be complex for many users to manage. The wallet supports an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, from established players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to a variety of other popular digital assets. This allows you to consolidate your diverse crypto holdings within a single platform. Furthermore, Zengo integrates buying, selling, and swapping functionalities directly within the app, streamlining your day-to-day transactions. This makes it an ideal solution for both active traders and long-term holders. In conclusion, Zengo Wallet presents a secure, innovative, and user-friendly option for anyone looking to manage their cryptocurrencies with confidence. Its cutting-edge security features, combined with a streamlined and intuitive interface, provide peace of mind whether you're new to the crypto world or a seasoned investor. For a deeper dive into Zengo Wallet, explore the links provided in the description below.